Good morning, and welcome to Urban Backyard Container Garden. I'm Moses, and I'm sitting out on my patio drinking coffee before I get up to go start harvesting my final harvest of purple hull peas. They're ready to go. Those of you that have been following me will remember I planted them a while back using a seed planting template. I'll post a link on that. So after I finish drinking my coffee, I'm gonna get up and go, and I'll take you along. Okay, we're here, and majority of them look like they're ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick as many off as I can. This bed will later be used for turnips during my fall planting. If you haven't seen a purple hull before or don't understand why they're called that, this is why. The outside of the hull is purple. When they get to be this color, that means that the tea inside is very dried out. Okay, here's the final picking. Looks like I'm going to have a pretty decent harvest. So I'm going to go in and shell these, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, welcome back. Here are the shelled peas. I'm going to go and rinse them off, and then go ahead and vacuum seal them, and then come back and close out the video. Okay, so here are the Purple Hulls vacuum seal. Happy with my harvest for today. Thank you for following me, and if you haven't subscribed, by all means please do so. If you don't subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button. If you do, go ahead and hit the notification button. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave me a comment if you choose, and I'll be sure to reply back. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much. I am now over 1,000 subscriptions, and I greatly appreciate that. This channel has really grown, and that really makes me feel good. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.